friends and tutor to join. Then we will start with the lecture. Please turn on your videos till then. Okay, Mahi, please type your mobile number. Hi, Kana. Mahi, please send it with me. I'll send you a hi. Send it to me only. Directly, you can send it to me.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Please type your name and mobile number in the chats. Mahi, I'll message you. You type your mobile number with me personally. Kanav, can you please type your mobile number? And everybody, please turn on your video so that we can start our class. Mahi, can you share it now? I have messaged you. And Kanav, can you share your mobile number in the chats, please? Everybody is requested to please turn on the videos. So you can start the class.
Hello, kids. Very good evening. Can you hear me? I'm audible to you? Mahi. We are having Mahi, Kanav, and Ilham Ali, right? If I'm not wrong. Yes?
Say yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, that's great. So, welcome to the class. Are you ready? Are you excited for the class or not? First, just tell me that. Are you excited? Huh?
Yes.
Very okay. Just you have to rate your excitement level. Okay. Are you excited? You have to give marks on your for your excitement level from 5. Okay. So how many marks will you give? 5. Full out of full. Mahi is giving full out of full. Means Mahi is super excited. Okay, Mahi. And Ilham. Your name is Ilham, right? You can turn on your mic. You can turn on your mic. You are mute. You are on mute. You
No.
can. And we are having Kanav as well. Kanav, could you please turn on camera? Kanav, could you please turn on camera so that we could have a better interaction? Okay, so guys, don't worry. Whatever the question comes in your mind, you are going to ask to me. Okay, be completely comfortable. For example, just like you are talking with your friend. Okay, so I am your friend, and I am the you. Just like from today, I will not tell you by your name. I'll be telling you with the name of the mini coders. Okay, got it? So who you are? If I will ask you this question, who you are, then what will you reply to me? A mini coder. You will say, I am the mini coder. But who is the mini coder? Who knows that why we are saying to you mini coder? Who is the mini coder? See, a person who knows the coding, not wrong, right or not? A person who knows the coding. So are you excited to learn about the coding or not?
Excited.
Really excited?
Yes.
Super excited?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, we are having Kanav as well. Kanav, you can turn on camera and the video. Okay, and then we are going to start. Should we start, guys? Should we start? Who is ready and who is not ready?
शॉर्ट्स में क्या आएगा?
Yeah, can we start?
Yes. Yes.
Very good, very good, very nice. Okay, so let me tell you. I will share my screen, and if it is visible, just let me know because we are going to learn so many things today. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so is everyone ready?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, so you have to be active in the class. And the one who will be super active in the class and will answer all the questions and will interact nicely, he will be getting the badge at the last of the class. Okay, we'll give you a badge as well. Ready? Okay.
Yes.
So because now we are going to enter into some other zone where you are now. You are at home, right? Hmm?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now we are going to move into the home of coding. Okay. And
Okay.
Archit, Arshi, Kanav, you have to turn on your camera as well. Okay. And the mic as well, you can turn on if it is possible. Right? Okay. So now we are going to start. Okay. And there are a few rules of the class. The one who wants to answer or ask any question, he has to raise his hand. Okay. And then accordingly, he or she will answer. First of all, you have to raise your hand and then accordingly you will answer. Okay. Fine. Till then, everyone will be on the mute only. Got it? Yes. So fine. We are starting now. Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Okay. Great. Great. So welcome mini coders. From now, I will not say Mahi. I will say you are the mini coder. Mini coder Mahi. And it is super very, it's a very nice name. Okay. Archit as well. Mini coder Archit. Okay. And so now there will be mini coder. It will be ahead of your name. Okay. So welcome mini coders to the class and we are going to start now. Okay. So the first thing that we are going to learn that is about the internet. Does anyone know what is this internet? Why you're connecting with us? Like for example, I am Pradeep and I'm from New Delhi and you are from some other place, right? So basically we are sitting at the different places. We are not in the same room. We are not in the same home. So how we are connecting? How you are going to connect with me? How you are taking class with me? How is it possible? Because of what? Because of the internet only, right? Okay, let me take you back into the time when there was no internet. Can you just imagine the world if there is no internet? Like, for example, if I'm just writing a letter for Archit, so what I will be doing? I'll be writing a letter, and then accordingly, I'll be giving it to the postman. Then the postman will come to the Archit home, then he will be giving it, right? And it is a very long process. We cannot watch any videos. I cannot call you. We cannot see face to face. But you are sitting at your home and I'm sitting at my home and we are taking the class. That's very amazing, isn't it? Is it not amazing? Right? So what is this internet? Basically, internet means connected and a connectedness. What is this connection? Okay, I'm going to write here connectedness. What is the internet does for us? Your computer, your laptop, my phones, everything is interconnected. And we can share information from one phone to another phone, from one laptop to another laptop. I can send you any information. For example, you're taking my class from your laptop only. That is because of the internet. Right or not? Yes? So what is internet? Internet is basically used for connecting the computers, laptops all over the world and help us to share the information. Okay? Yes or no? For example, if you want to watch Motu Patlu, then you will be searching Motu Patlu on the internet and it will come to you. Okay? Yes or no? Yeah? Okay. Be comfortable in my class. Be comfortable,
Yes,
super
sir.
comfortable in my class. Okay? So I hope you are now aware about this internet. Internet means when everything is connected, when every laptop, all the phones are connected. And how they are connected? Because we see there are many towers or the satellites which are helping us to connect. Yes? Yes or no? There are
Yes.
like if you go out of your home, then you will see there are the different towers type of things, which are basically generating the signals so that we can connect with them. Got it? Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Good. Very
sir.
nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. So now we have learned about the internet. Now we are going to enter into the tech zone.
So let's enter. Should we enter into the tech zone?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good, very good. And now, whatever you can think, it is going to be possible here. Okay. So we are going to do something that is very extraordinary. We are going to learn something that will be extraordinary. You will be really enjoying it. I am saying this. You will really enjoy it. It's not a boring classes of a school, right? You will really feel it. Okay, got it? So you have to just with me. I am with you. Okay, guys. You can call me a brother. I'm just like your friend only. Hai na? So just be like a friend. But I'll be teaching you as well. Got it? Okay. Okay, guys. So now there is one thing. How many of you like to play games? How many of you like to play games? Huh? Kanav likes to play game. Okay. Is there anyone who likes to play game? Oh, Mahi also like. Archit also likes. Okay. Kiara also like. Okay. You have to type in the chat. There is an option of type. And you can type whatever the game you play. Whatever the game you play. Okay. You have to type the game that you play. What game do you play at home? Like whenever you are having the phone or any other thing, which game do you feel that, yeah, this is my super game. I'm the expert of it. I am the topper of it. I'm not asking about the class. I'm just asking about the topper of the game. Who is the topper of the game? Which game do you like? Okay, we are having some through kitchen games, cricket, football. Okay, good, good, good. Acha, do you like to play any digital game as well, like Subway Surfer or Hill Climb Racing or any other game that you like?
Cricket.
Or any car driving game, Doctor Driver?
Cricket.
Cricket. You like to play cricket online? Okay, I'm asking the online games. Offline games are very good for us, but yeah, we also like to play some online games as well. Good, very nice.
Sir, online also.
Oh, wow, that's good. That's good. So basically, what do you think out? When we're playing any game, who we are, who we are. You will be the user. Who you are? Who you are? User. Because you are using the games. You are playing the games. Right? So who you are? Mahi Archit Kanav, who you are? The user. You are the user. Right? And after this class, you will be the developer. So there will be a journey from playing games to creating games. Right? We are going to now suppose you are just playing the game. You are just downloading any game from the Play Store, and after that, you are playing that. Right? But what if everybody is playing your game? You are going to design a game, then everybody is playing. Okay, this is my game. This is Archit's game. This is Kanav's game. And you are going to name your game as well. Yes? Yes or no? So this is the transformation from the user side to the developer side. Yes? So mini coders, you are the mini coders and you are the developer. Who you are? The developer. The developer means the one who develop any game, right? The one who builds anything, that is known as the developer. Yes or no? For example, you are seeing here these kids are playing games, right? First place, second place, right? And this developer side, in the developer side, basically they are writing something and then they are creating the games. Yes or no? So how is this possible? From playing games to create games, how can we make it? How can we do it? Or suppose you are browsing any website, how can we do it? We are having the one thing that is called coding.
By
What is
coding.
that? Coding. With the help of the coding, we can actually do it. Yes or no? Okay, fine. So before understanding the coding, let me tell you about something that is called the input, process, and the output cycle. What it is? What it is? Input, process, output. So you have to type in the chat IPO, IPO. If it is clear, then just type IPO. Type in the chat IPO, input, process, output. What is the cycle known as? IPO. Just write IPO. IPO, IPO, that's good. IPO, very good. Okay, Anna. So what is this input, process, output? Okay, now stop typing, stop typing. Now I'll be telling you, right? See, input, for example, you are going to a shop. Let's assume where you are now. You are going to a shop. then you are asking the shopkeeper, hey bhaiya, can you give me a chocolate? What you are asking? What you are asking? Bhaiya, can you give me a chocolate? Yes or no? So basically, that is the input. What it is? What it is? It's an input. It's an input because you are asking something. So similarly, when we ask anything from the computer, then when we ask anything from the computer, then we call it as the input. What do we call it? What do we call it? Input. Okay. Please don't draw anything on the screen. Archit or anyone, please don't draw anything on the screen. Okay. See, input means what? Whenever you are asking anything. Got it? Is it very clear? When we are asking anything, like for example, I want to search anything on this laptop, right? So that is my input. Yes, Kanav?
Sir, I am joining from second device.
Sure, you can join. Okay. Okay. So see, input means whenever we are asking anything. Now, after this, what will happen? The shopkeeper will go out. The shopkeeper will go inside the shop, and then he will find the chocolate, and he will. What he will give. What he will do next? What he will do next? He will bring the chocolate, and then accordingly he will give you. Right. So basically, what he has done, he has gone inside, and then accordingly he has picked up the chocolate, whatever the chocolate you have asked. Then accordingly, that is called the process. Means when anyone is going and when anyone is doing the work, we call it as the, what do we call it as? Input. Sorry, process. What do we call it as? Process. Okay. Whenever you are doing any work, it is known as the process. Is it very clear? Is it very clear? And when finally the shopkeeper will give you the chocolate, here, sir, here, here, Mahi, this is your chocolate. Pranav, this is your chocolate, right? Archit, this is your chocolate. Kiara, this is your chocolate. Then you will call that it is the output. What it is? Output. Is it very clear? So what is input? When we ask anything, process, when he does that thing, and the output means when he is giving you the final result. Output means what? Final.
Result. Fine.
Final result, right? So that is known as the output. If it is very clear, just say yes. Is it very clear?
Yes.
Yes? Okay,
Yes.
great. And input means what? Asking anything, process, when he is doing that work, and output means the final result. Okay, that's why we are having the input devices. What are the input devices? Mouse is the input device. Keyboard is the input device. Because with the help of these devices, we can give the input. Okay? And the computer, laptop, it does some internal functions. Then it is known as the process, right? And then he gives you the final result. Here we go, sir. Then it is known as the output. Okay, is it very clear? Is it very clear? I'll show you an example of that. I'll show you an example of that, okay? To understand it more better, I will show you an example. And in the later on classes, we are going to develop these things, okay? I will show you first, okay? Ready? Let me show you. 1 second. I'll share my screen and will show you. Okay. So whatever I've taught you till now, is it very clear? If it is clear, just if they find out, then you can ask to me. Is it very clear? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so let me give you, I will show you something, okay? Can you see my screen? Is it visible?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, fine. Can you see my screen properly? Okay, so here you can see what you can see. There is a kind of the Sumi command written over there, na? So that's a robot that I've designed. Okay, that I've designed to just explain you the input process output cycle. Okay, got it? Okay.
Yes.
You can also design these kind of robots, na? You can also design these kind of the applications, right? But you will learn this. Okay, first of all, you have to learn the coding. Fine. So what I'm going to do, there is an initialize option here. I will first of all initialize it. Hello, Sumi. How are you?
Hello, Captain Chaudhry. Jai Hind. I am AI Soldier Sumi. I am fully operational, awaiting your commands.
Wow. So what are you saying? Can you hear the sound as well? Yes? Can you hear the sound? Is the sound
Yes.
perfect? Whatever it is, he is speaking, right? So, Sumi, turn left. Sumi, can you hear me?
Affirmative, Captain. This unit hears you loud and clear.
Okay. Move 30 degrees left.
Roger that. Executing turn.
Now move 30 meters from the exact position.
Affirmative, Captain. Advancing to coordinates.
Now move right.
Copy. Turning to the right.
Move 10 meters.
Affirmative, Captain. Moving 10 meters forward.
Okay. So now you can see from here, first of all, I'm giving it as an input, right? I'm asking something so that he can do. And accordingly, he's processing it. Whatever I'm saying to it, he's processing it. And accordingly, he's giving me the result. Yes or no? So now have you got the input process output cycle very clearly? When we ask anything, it is the input process. When he does, okay, what is my captain speaking, right? He's written Captain Pradeep Chaudhary because I have developed it. So that's why he's following my commands. If you will develop it, then it will follow your commands. Okay, like that. Got it? So that is called the input process output cycle. Okay, understood? Very good, very good. Now we'll again back to the basics, right? So where we were, I was explaining you input process output cycle. Okay. Now I will ask you a simple question. What is this coding? How do we, before asking how do we do coding, I will ask you a simple question. What is coding? Can you just tell me? Is there anyone who can tell me here? What is
Sir,
coding?
may I?
Mahi, you want to tell? Okay,
Sir,
you have to
may I?
raise your hands. You have to raise your hands, whoever wants to tell. Okay, who wants to tell? Please raise your hands. Okay. What's your name? It is written Smriti Khanna, right? You have to join from your name. Okay, what is your name?
Sir, my name is Virat Khanna.
Vilad, right?
Virat.
Okay, Vilad, Virat, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, Virat. Fine. So yeah, you have to tell me what is coding.
Sir, coding is basically like we do coding on computer to make games or to make something. Coding is basically how we command the game. We command by coding.
Very nice, very nice, very nice, Virat. Very good, very amazing. It's very amazing. Okay, Mahi, is there anyone who wants to tell? Okay, no worries. I'll tell you. Right? See, what is coding? There is something written. One second. Yeah. So what is written over there? A computer does not think by itself. We have to tell it what to do. Okay, you guys can mute yourself now. Okay, after answering, you can mute. Okay. So basically, what is coding? Coding is the way we give instruction. What does mean? When we are giving instruction to the computer, and when we are like, for example, I'm asking to anyone, just stand up, then sit down. Right? For example, there is a table. You have to answer this, right? There is a table. On that table, there are few books. This is the maths book. Let's suppose this is the maths book, okay? And then there is a boy whose name is Coolie. Let's name it Coolie. This is the boy whose name is Coolie. And now I'm asking Coolie to take out the maths book. What he will do? He's far from the table. How he will perform that action? Who will tell me? How he will take the maths book? Answer firstly tell me. Raise your hands. Okay, Mahi has raised his hand. Okay, yes, Mahi, you can tell. You can unmute yourself and then you can tell.
He will go to the table and take the maths book from the
Very
table.
good. Very good. He will go to the table and take the maths book. Anyone else who wants to answer? And suppose he is sitting. He is not in the mood of, he's not standing. So what he will do now? First of all, he will stand up. And then accordingly, he will find the direction in which direction he wants to move. And then accordingly, he will go to the table, will take the maths book. Simple, simple. That is basically the coding. That is the coding. Yes, guys, that is the coding. Whenever we are giving any instruction to the computer, it is known as the coding. Whenever we give any instruction, that is coding. Okay, now you can answer this at any time. Coding means writing instructions for the computer or for the games, whatever we want to design, right? That is coding. Understood? Understood? What is coding? Giving instruction. What is coding? Giving instruction. Instruction means giving any command or the rules that you have to do this. right? Whenever we are doing a step-by-step approach, when we step by, for example, I need to make tea. What I will do? I'll take water, then what I will do after taking water? Who will tell me how to make tea? Does anyone know how to make tea? Hmm?
Sir,
Okay.
I know.
Yes, Virat, tell me.
Sir, I know how to make
Sir,
tea.
firstly we boil the water
Very
and
good.
then we add a little amount of milk,
Uh-huh.
and then we add like elaichi, adrak, chai
Uh-huh.
patti, and we also, if you want, we can also add sugar, and we will wait when it come to boil, and then we will
Very
drink
good,
up.
Virat. Amazing, amazing. Please give a big round of applause for Virat. Very nice. Okay, so Virat is going to make a tea for us. Okay, fine. So basically, that is the coding. Your mother does the coding, right? Our mom, every day, she does the coding. But whenever we are writing this instruction to the computer, and when the computer will follow that command, that is also the coding. So simple. We are doing coding at every time. But we do not know that that is the coding. Okay. Is it very clear? Yes or no? If it is clear, just say yes. And if it is not clear, just say no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, great. Very nice.
Yes.
Okay. So we can write here coding means writing instruction for a computer so that it could follow those kind of instructions. Okay. Got it? Now, what you can do with the coding? Now the next question comes, sir. Suppose I know coding, but what can I do with this coding? Sir, can I fly with the coding? No, you can fly with the coding. You are going to make an aeroplane and in the digital, and then you are going to sit in the aeroplane, then you can fly high in the sky. Okay. So what we can do, we can make games with the coding. We can make animations, the games that we are playing. For example, I'm playing so many games, Subway Surfer, Hill Climb Racing, and Dr. Driver, whatever it is, right? So Candy Crush. And but after that, you can make those kind of games because of what? Because you know coding, right? You can make animations. The animations that you watch on the YouTube, then you can just make those animations, right? Tell stories or the comics. For example, you have a story in your mind, and now you want to present it for the whole audience or for the whole the class. Then what you will do? You can do with the coding, with the help of the coding, you can tell stories or the comics. And any other thing? Yes, there is one more thing. You can create applications. The applications that we use every day, like YouTube, or any other application that we are using. Okay, that is because after this coding, you can make these applications as well. Understood? Control robots. You are like, I've controlled the robot now with the help of the coding because I've done the coding behind that in the back end. What I've done the coding. That's why I was able to control my robot. He was following my commands because I was his captain. And now you have seen the live example, right? Yes. So we can actually control the robots with the help of the coding. And in the real life as well, whenever we are seeing the robots, we can actually control them with the help of what? With the help of the coding only. Also, there is very important thing. Why do we stuck in the problems? Because we don't know the coding. We will know the coding, then we can easily solve any mathematical problem within few seconds if you know the coding. Yes. And maths is very, we are very, oh my God, it's maths. I do not know maths. But we know coding, then we can solve any problem in the maths as well. Okay, got it? Very nice. Okay. Now I will tell you what we are going to learn in this program. That is the Minicoders program. You will be having 25 classes in this program, and I will tell you what we are going to learn in this. Okay, got it? So see, always remember when we talk about coding, so we are having two types of coding. When we talk about coding, how many types of coding are there? Two types. One that we call as the block-based coding, another that we call as the text-based coding. First is the block-based, another is the text-based. Right? What is block-based coding? Blocks. There are blocks. So in the block-based coding, we are going to just drag a block and drop a block. Drag a block and drop a block. That is actually the block-based coding. Okay, means like
Sir.
there will be the different blocks will be there, and then we are going to just dragging those blocks and dropping those blocks, drag and drop feature. Fold those blocks and keep it simple, right? And the way you will arrange those blocks accordingly. Your game or whatever you want to design, it will happen. Okay, so that is called as the block-based coding. And there is an example of the block-based coding, that is what? Scratch. Scratch is the perfect
Scratch.
example of the block coding. Okay, yes. And the next is what? Text-based coding. What is text-based coding? 1 minute, I'll take your doubts. Okay, I'll take your doubts. One another is text-based coding. What is it? Text-based, है ना? In the text-based, we are not going to dragging and dropping. We are going to write the code. So when we write the proper code, it comes in what? It comes in the text-based coding. It comes in what? Text-based coding. Text-based coding. Okay. Is it very clear? Is it very clear?
Scratch
Okay.
आणि web development सांगताय.
So in the text-based, basically we are having Python programming. What it is? Python programming. That is called as the text-based coding, right? And accordingly, we are also going to learn the web development. What is web development? Like if you see different websites on the Google, for example, I'm searching anything on the Google, so there will be the different websites will be there, right? And accordingly, I'll click on any of the website. I'll click on any of the website, then it will open in front of me, right? So we are going to learn how to develop those websites. Okay, apart from that, we will also learning problem solving. We will be having creativity when we will be designing stories. We'll be making some projects, right? And we are going to develop the logic as well. So these are the things that we are going to learn in this mini coders program, in this mini coders lab. Okay, now what do you want to ask? You can just ask me now. If there is any questions, then you can ask me. It's time for your doubts. If you want to ask any question, then we will move forward, right? Then we are going to have some fun. Okay, tell me if you want to ask any questions. I can't hear you. Yes, tell me, Pranav. Uh-huh. Your name is Pranav, right? Kanav. Your name is Kanav, right? Okay, yes, Kanav, tell me.
The games will be junior scratch or senior scratch.
See, first of all, we'll be starting from the junior scratch. Okay, we'll be developing the games in the scratch only, and after that, we'll move to the text-based coding. Our main focus will be the text-based coding, but to develop the logic, we need to understand what? Block-based coding first. Otherwise, how we will develop the logic, right? How we will be getting the mindset of the programmer? Yes. So first of all, we want to have the mindset of the programmer, means mindset of the coder, and then accordingly we can develop these games. Okay, we can develop whatever we want. Okay, got it? Understood? Should we move forward, or is there any other question? There was Virat was raising his hand. Virat, are you there? You were raising hand something, like you were telling you want to tell me something. If there is any question, then you can tell me. Okay, at the last of the class as well. Okay, fine. Now we'll proceed. Okay, so now first I'll be telling you what is a scratch. What is a scratch? I hope you are already aware about the scratch, but still I'll be telling you from the basics. Okay, from the basics, first of all, we'll learn the concept, and then accordingly we'll move to the other concepts such as Python, right? We can also develop some other questions as well, right? We can develop the logic, and then accordingly we can program. So to understand the logic, we have to understand the scratch. Okay, so I already told you what we are going to cover. I hope you can take a screenshot of that, right? Yes.
Sir, may I try to tell in love that what is scratch?
Okay, yeah, one second, Virat, I'll give you the chance. Okay,
Okay,
I'll
sir.
give you the chance to. There is another person who is raising his hand. You can speak if you want to speak anything. Then you can unmute yourself. Then you can speak.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can raise your hands first, and then accordingly I'll give you the chance. Okay, fine. So let me tell you about the scratch for everyone who knows or who doesn't know. Right? You all are. We are going to start from the basics. Got it? See, the scratch is the kind of the platform I already told you. We know about a block-based coding, right? What is block-based coding? When we are having some blocks, we are dragging and dropping the blocks, and then accordingly we are writing our program. That is known as the block-based coding. Okay. With the help of the Scratch, what we can do? We can make stories, we can make games, we can make animations as well. Okay. So this type of things you can do with the help of the Scratch. Understood? Okay. Fine. What you can do? Okay, there is Noob Scratcher and Vivo V2336. If you want to ask any questions, please speak fastly. Noob Scratcher, are you? Yes. What's your name? You have to type your name and phone number in the chat. Okay. Whoever has not typed their phone number and name in the chat, they will not be allowed to speak. Okay. So first type your name and phone number in the chat. Okay. Got it? Vivo V2336. A person has joined with this name. A student who has joined with this name, he can tell me if he wants to tell. Okay. What we can do with the Scratch? Why do we use a Scratch? We can make animations. We can add sound as well, right? Okay. I'll be calling you Shiva. Okay. Noob Scratcher, from now I'll be calling you Shiva. Understood? You can type your name and phone number in the chat. Fine. So basically, what you can do, you can think creatively, you can learn basic coding, basics of the coding you can learn from where? With the help of the Scratch, you can learn. And there are some characters that you can move in the Scratch. And apart from that, you can add sound and the music as well. Okay. So we are going to have a hands-on on the Scratch, right? First I will tell you, then you can have some hands-on. Okay. So see, before moving into the Scratch, we need to understand these two things. The one that we call the sprite, another we call as the stage. Sprite and the stage. What is the sprite? What is a sprite? What is a sprite? What is a sprite? Can you tell me what is a sprite?
Sir, sprite is like a character in the Scratch.
Very good, very good. Okay. So basically, sprite is what? Sprite means if there is a character. For example, I want to, like, we are having so many characters in which, like, they will be performing. For example, I'm writing a code, then my character is going to dance, right? So that is basically a character, right? For example, what are the examples of the character? There can be a cat as well, a girl as well, boy as well. Anything could be our character. Our phone as well. This is a character. Bag, a character. Our books, character. Pradeep Chaudhary, it's a character. Kanav is a character. Manav is a character. We all are the characters. Okay. Now we'll know what is a stage. What is a stage? Stage means the background. For example, where I am now. I'm in the room. I'm teaching you. I'm in the room. So basically, that is my stage. Yes or no? For example, when the teacher asks you in the morning assembly, dear Kanav, please come on the stage. Then the Kanav will go onto the stage and he will give a speech, right? Whatever he wants to, right? So basically, that is the stage. When you perform anything or whenever there is a background, then we call it as a stage. Understood? Stage means where the background, where the sprite moves, where the sprite perform the code. Whatever we have written the code, then on the stage, what it will do, it is going to perform. Okay, that is known as the stage. Right? For example, what do we do on the stage? We're dancing, we are singing. Okay, and whatever is asked, we do on the stage. Understood? Is it very clear? Is it very clear, or if there is any doubt? Yes? Okay, you can ask me doubt if you are having in the sprite and the stage. Okay, now we will be learning. There are some coding blocks in the Scratch. Okay, fine. So there are few coding blocks that I'm going to tell you. We are having some colorful blocks, right? For example, this is the motion block, event block, right? Looks block, sound block, control block, operators, sensing, right? These are the few blocks. Okay. So what does it do? What do you understand by the motion block? Simple, as the name is suggesting, I will be telling you. Motion. Motion, the color of this block will be blue. And what does it do? It moves the sprite from here to there, right? For example, I'm saying move 20 meters. Then you will be moving. Move forward, move backward. So that is what? You are doing the motion. What you are doing? Motion. Understood? Looks. What does a look can do? Looks are in the purple color, right? And what does it do? It can change the appearance. For example, if you want to change the color, size, right? All you can do with the help of the looks block. Okay? Is it very clear? If you want to add any sound, then we are having a sound block. So simple, right? Interesting as well. Events. With the help of the event, You can start a program, or if you want to stop a program, then you can do it with the help of the event option. Okay, and it is in the yellow color. Understood? With the control, what you can do, for example, I want to what do you mean by this control? Control means when we try to control anything, right? Then it is known as the control. For example, I'm saying do this 5 times. Write the essay on the curve 5 times. Right? Write your homework 5 times. That is the control. Right? When we ask for the repeat, or when I'm asking you to wait, or when I'm asking you to stop, that is what control. Sensing. What does sensing means? For example, I'm touching the mouse and my sprite is moving with the help of the mouse. I'm touching the mouse, then the sprite is moving. Like I want my mouse with the help of, like, for example, I'm moving my mouse, my sprite is also moving in the same direction. That is known as the sensing. Understood? Okay. We are having some operators as well. What is the another thing? Operator. Operator, what are these operators? Like, for example, you do some operations in the maths. For example, if I'm asking 5 plus 3, what you will reply to me? Fastly. Tell me fast. 5 plus 3? 5 plus 3? 8. Very good. 2 plus 7? Fastly.
9.
9. 3 times 9?
27.
Huh?
27.
Good. Very good. है ना? So basically, these are the plus, multiply, and the minus symbol, है ना? Subtraction, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. All these are the operators. What are these? Operators. Okay. So when we do maths, we do with the help of the operators. Okay. And there is very important thing that I'm going to tell you, variables. Okay, listen to me very carefully. This is one of the most important thing. And operators and variables, we'll be also using this in the Python. Okay, got it? So that's why these two are most important. Operators and variables, these we'll be also using in the Python as well. Okay, got it? Is it very clear? Good. Okay. See, what are variables? I have my bottle. Let me see what I can do in the bottle. I can store water. Yeah. I'll go and I'll be storing the water in my bottle. Yes or no? This is my bag. What I can do with the help of bag? I can store my books. I can keep my books. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me, guys. Yes or no? Be super excited. Yes? Okay. Great. So that is known as the variable. What is variable? When we store any value, that the variable is going to store any value. For example, you play game, and at the last of the game, then there is a final score. Then there is a score. That score is what? That is a variable. What it is? It's a variable basically, है ना? Because it is going to store your marks. That is going to store your value, whatever you have earned. Okay, that is going to store your coins as well. The distance that you covered in the subway surfer. That is because of the variable. Okay, yes or no? Okay. Okay, fine. Before moving to the HTML, we'll be having some hands on the scratch. Are you ready? Okay. Hands on means we are having some practical. Okay. So I'll be sharing one link in the chat and then you can just join over there. Okay. Okay. And do not leave the class. We are going to have some interesting at the last of the class. We'll be having a quiz, and the one who will get the highest marks in the quiz, he will be getting some prize as well. Okay. Got it? And I'm going to show you. I'll be sharing you a link of the scratch so that directly you can use that link and you can join on the scratch. Okay. And if you do not have the scratch installed on your laptop, in the next class I will be also telling you how to install it. But for now, I'll be telling you the direct link of the scratch so that you can directly join over there. Okay. In the chat I've shared, you can check it. You have to just click on this link, then accordingly you can join on the scratch. Okay. Then I'll be telling you how to do it very gracefully. Here I've shared my screen. I hope this is visible. I hope my screen is visible. I hope my screen is visible. Yes. So you can see this is the scratch, right? Here there are the blocks, the coding blocks that we call. These are the coding blocks. What are these? Coding blocks, right? This is the motion block that I told you. These are the looks block that I told you. Sound block to add any music or the sound. Events block it is. Control block as well. when we want to control anything. Sensing block as well, operators, when we do any operation of maths, then we are having what? Operators, variables as well, and my blocks, right? We can, if you want to make any other block, then you can also make your own block here. I hope this is very clear. Okay, fine. So what we are going to do, we are going to just drag, drop, drag, drop, drag, drop. Any block that we want to drag and drop, we can drop. Okay, got it? Is it very clear? Is it very clear? Understood? Okay. And this is our sprite. This is the sprite. What it is? This is the cat, which is our sprite. Have you opened the Scratch? You can also open the Scratch and you can split screen like this. If you just click on it, then there is an option of split the screen, right? Then you can first of all see my class as well. And then accordingly, you can do the coding as well by splitting the screen. Okay. You can do the, understood? So see, this is my sprite. What it is? Sprite. Now currently I have my sprite as what? Cat is my sprite. And if I want to change my sprite to any other, suppose I want to add batsman, right? So this is my sprite now. Got it? I will be going to this and then I'll be searching for it. And then accordingly, I'll select it. And for example, I want to delete it and I want to add any other sprite like FB I want to add. Okay. Whatever I want to add, it will come here. Got it? I think I will share it again. Okay. And then we are going to have some, we are going to learn about Scratch as well. Okay. Can you see my screen, guys? Is it visible? Is it visible? Is my screen visible? Tell me if it is visible. Stop share. I'll again share it.
Well, it's visible.
It's visible. Is my screen visible, guys? Is it visible?
It's loading.
What you can see? What you can see on my screen? There is written Scratch over.
Your name is there and has started screen sharing. Yes, it came.
Okay, so I am moving my sprite. Is it visible to you? Okay, great. For example, I want to add any sprite here. What I will do, I will go in this option and there is an option of choose a sprite. I'll click on this option and I want to search like better. I want this is my sprite. So I've done what? I just want any of the sprite that you want, right? Any of the sprite that you want, then you can just select it from there and then accordingly it will come here on the stage, right? Got it? And if you want to change the backdrop, what is backdrop? Means the background, right? What you will do, I will just follow my cursor. I will just click on this option that is the choose the backdrop at the bottom of the screen, right? I'll be choosing this option. This is the choose a backdrop option. And from this choose a backdrop option, I'm going to choose the, like I just want, let's suppose I want this baseball to be. Okay. Got it? Is it very clear? Understood? Very nice. And now suppose I want some, like I will show you, like, we will understand these blocks in the later classes that how am I going to do? I will explain each and everything. For example, in the motion block, there are so many blocks too. There are so many blocks for me, right? Okay. And for example, I want to select this block, glide 1 second to X and Y, and X and Y. X and Y are coordinates. X and Y are coordinates. For example, if we want to move forward or backward, then we will be using the X coordinate, and we want to move in the what can I say? That in the up direction and in the down direction. If I want to move up and down, then I'll be using Y, and forward and backward, I'll be using X. Okay, up and down, Y, forward, backward, X. Up and down, Y, forward, backward, X. Okay, is it very clear? And I've written here, I've just chosen this block, glide 1 second to X and Y. Okay. And now I'm changing the position of my batter to this position. Okay. And then again, I'm selecting this, glide 1 second to X and Y. I'm changing the position of the batsman to this place. And then I'm again choosing this, glide 1 second to X and Y. And again, I'm just moving my batter to this place. Then again, I'm choosing this, glide 1 second to X and Y. And again, I'm moving to the final position, the position at which I was in the starting, then I will be again choosing this glide 1 second X, right? Okay. And to start this program, to start this program, I'll go into the events option. To start this program, where I will go? I'll go into the event option, like, and I'll be selecting. I will be selecting this when flag clicked. Okay, I'll be selecting this when flag clicked like this. Got it? Okay. And now there is a green flag. Anna, when flag clicked, that means green flag. What does green flag means? Means you can go. Anna, when we see a green flag, which means you can go, right? Anna, green flag starts for the motion. When we want to start anything, we use the green flag. And what I will do now, I'll be clicking on this flag and let's see what will happen. Wow, my batter is moving to the position that I've selected. Again, back to the normal position. Okay. This is how I have written the code. This is how I'm going to give the instruction to my game, and then accordingly it is following the instruction. Okay, that's how we used to do the coding in the Scratch. Okay, got it? Which means it is gliding. What it is? Gliding from one position to another position. When we glide, right? Then it is called gliding. One position to another position. What we are doing? We are gliding, right? So that is called when flag clicked. Understood? Is it very clear? Okay. And for example, I want this into the repeated loop. I want that it should not stop. What I will do? I'll go into the control, and then there is an option. I want to repeat it, suppose 10 times. So what I will do? I will go into the control block, and I'll be choosing this repeat block. What I'm choosing? Repeat block. And I have written 10 times here. If you want to make your batsman repeat 5 times the same thing, then you can write 5. Or you can also write 1, 2, any number you can write, right? Then it will be repeating for the same time. As I want my batsman to repeat it for 11 times. So again, I'm clicking on the flag. Let's see what will happen. You can see from there. Now this batsman will repeat the same process. How many times? For the 11 times it is going to. After 11 times, it will stop. Okay? Because this is my instruction. This is I want from my batsman. Got it? Is it very clear, guys? Is it very clear? Okay. So in this manner, we are going to learn how to make some other games, how to make stories, comics, how to add sounds in the Scratch, right? So we are having different options here, and it is going to be very, very easy for you. Okay. Okay, guys. Yes. Okay. Now we'll again move to our class. Okay. We are already having hands on the Scratch. Fine. Okay, and now we'll be learning something about, there is one more thing that we call as the HTML. What it is? What it is? Speak. I want that you should speak. Now I want you should speak, okay? HTML. Speak HTML. Speak HTML.
HTML.
Good, very good. HTML, right? What is this HTML? When you, for example, I'm searching anything on the internet, so there are the different websites will be open. The full form of it, hypertext markup language. Okay. Hypertext markup language. What does it do? It is going to make the websites, right? The programmers, the developers, what they do? They write the HTML code, and accordingly, they add some styles that we call it the CSS. But for now, we'll be learning the HTML. HTML means it is going to define the structure of the website. For example, my body is there. I have a structure of my body. That this is my mouth, these are my hands, this is my nose, these are my ears. So that is my structure of the body. Similarly, if you want to design the structure of your website, then what you will do? You will be using the HTML. If you want to make the structure of your web page, then what you will do? What you will do? You are going to use the HTML. And HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. I hope this is very clear. Is it very clear? Wow, that's good. Okay. And now there is one more thing. There is one more thing. Like those who have not shared your phone number, then you can please share your phone number in the chat, your name as well. Okay. So how do we write a program in the HTML? There are few things that we can write the program in the HTML. Like we can start. I will tell you this in the later on classes. But now just have a look. Like we are going to just write these kind of the programs, and then accordingly we are going to design the websites. Right? We are going to just write a code in this, and then what we will do? We are going to design the websites. Okay. We can write it. I'll tell you how to write it. But since we are out of the time, so I'll be telling you this in the regular classes. Okay, when we start our classes once, then I'll be teaching you from the very basics. Okay, don't worry about anything. Okay, is it very clear? And then accordingly, we'll be also taking some sessions on the extra technologies, right? The technologies that you must learn, because we are living in the world of the technology, right? The technology is developing day by day, right? So we need to learn so that we could have a better future. We could learn the future skills. Okay, got it? So we are also going to learn about the artificial intelligence. I know. I will tell you in a short. When we train any machine to think like that, in such a manner so that it should think like a human, then it is known as the artificial intelligence. Artificial means we are training. Intelligence means it has the ability to take decision, right? It is the ability to solve the problems. That is the intelligence, na? Okay, it is having the creativity as well. That is called intelligence. Okay, and we'll be learning this in the in the next classes. Okay, so you have stayed here for the. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the session, right? We have learned so many things. We have learned about the scratch. We have learned about the IPO cycle. We have learned about the internet. Okay, and accordingly, in the further classes, we'll be also learning Python and other things. Okay, but before that, we'll be having a quick quiz. Are you ready for the quiz? Are you ready for the quiz, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so we are having a quiz now. Just a minute. Okay, I'll be sending you a quiz link and then you can join on it. Okay. Okay, let me share you the link of it. Okay, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. You have to just join fastly, okay, so that you can start. 1 minute. I've sent you the link here in the chat. Or you can do one thing.
sound.
Okay, have you all joined? You can join with this link, or you can join. I will show you my screen as well, right? So that you can join. You can also join with this code help with the help of this link as well. Okay. Wow, wow. You have already started. Very nice. Okay. The first question is what? In coding, what does input mean? Let me see. Where are the first question? You can also do it like this, Anna. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you all ready? Just tell me if you are ready, then I can start the quiz. Or you can
Yes.
also join. You can also join with the help of this code 5668. Okay, you can directly join with the link, or you can also join with this. Right, I'm going to start this, or you can scan the QR code as well. Let's start. Answer quickly to get more points. Okay, you have to answer very quickly. Why is Scratch used for? Look at your device fastly. There are 15 seconds for you.
Buying things, watching videos.
Everyone has voted. Okay, let's see. Wow.
Correct.
Making games and animations. Wow, that's very nice. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Are you ready for the next one?
I use in the
Why do
games.
we use a Scratch? Why do we use a Scratch? To make the games and the animations. So simple. Let's move to the next question.
Question cake.
Question number 2 of 2. Ready? Yes.
Second answer. ചോദിക്കാൻ പോവാ. Question. Answer പറഞ്ഞോ.
അമ്മ പറഞ്ഞു തരണേ. Okay.
Answer quickly to get more points.
HTML used to make എന്ത് വരുന്നത്? HTML കൊണ്ട് എന്തോ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? വെബ്സൈറ്റ്.
Website.
Music, websites, photos, or messages. Wow,
Website.
everyone is voted.
Website.
No, ma'am, please don't tell anyone. Okay, nobody is going to tell, right? You can mute yourself first. Wow, everybody? Huh? Oh, I guess like there was some, let me fix it, this shoes. Okay, fine. Website is the correct option. Those who have voted for the website, they will be getting the full marks, okay? There is a something, I guess there is some option wrong here, okay? Got it? Fine, you need to just tell the answer, okay? You need to just tell the answer, right? Whatever the answer, like this is going to confuse you, right? If it will show the wrong option as well, then you need to go with it, okay? And the next question is, what in coding, what does input mean? In coding, what does input mean? Okay, 4 have answered process, output. Let's see who is the first. We are having pro. Who is the pro? 924 points. Who is the pro? I guess Yuvraj, right? Yuvraj? Who is the pro here? The one who has joined with the same pro. Pro, Yuvraj, and the noob coder Lola, Mahi, Manav. You will all get the certificates, right? Because you have answered all the answers, right? Good, very nice. You all are the winners, guys, because there was some technical glitch from the quiz site, so that's why I'm giving you the full marks. Okay,
Please type your mobile numbers to get the
fine.
certificate.
Okay, so if you want to get the certificate of this session, then you can type your mobile number and your name as well, and the same name will be printed on the certificate. Okay, fine, guys, and your rewards will be also sent over there. Okay, you can just type your name, the name by which you have joined in the quiz, and the name by which you have answered the questions. Okay, and type your mobile number as well. Fastly type so that we can send the
Sir.
certificate. Yes. Is there any other thing you want to ask to me?
Sir,
Yes, please tell me.
I answered
Hmm?
the 3 questions correctly, but it was telling me incorrect.
No worries, Anna. It was just some glitch from the quiz website only. So that's why your answer will be corrected, right? Don't worry. Okay. So that's why you all are the winners because it was a glitch. So when there is a glitch or when there is an error, we all are the winners. That's a very good thing. Okay. Fine. You all are the winners. Very good winners. You all are the winners. Finally, right? But next time, I'll make sure to fix each and every issue. I'll make sure that there will not be any glitch. Okay. Fine. This time your luck was there and you all are winner. Very good. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the session. How was the session?
Sir,
Huh?
can you play my game I made in Scratch? I put
Oh,
it in
sure.
the.
I'll be playing it. Sure. I'll be checking it. Wow, that's really good. You've already designed the game. Good, very nice. Okay. And apart from that, okay. So I hope the session was great. Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
great,
the
guys.
session
Okay.
is
Okay.
very
So,
good.
Please call your parents.
yeah, if you have parents nearby you, then you can call them, and if they want to ask any questions to us, then we are open to questions. Okay, so that you could be enrolled in the regular classes.
So you can leave if you're having the next class.
Okay, guys. So thank you, guys. Now I'm leaving because my time is over, right? And I guess you should also play something, right? Now let's talk to your parents, and you guys can go and you can play something whatever you want. Okay, guys. So then that's all for today. Thank you very much. Have a good night because it's the night, right? So have a good night. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in the regular
Thank
session.
you, sir.
Okay, guys. Bye bye. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Bye, guys. In the next classes, we are also going to play games as well. Okay, so be ready, right? I'll be telling you about the different
Okay,
games.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Thank you, Yuvraj. Bye bye. Take care. Tata.
Okay, everyone. If anybody's parents are there and they want to talk about the camp details, they can talk to me. I'm available right now. If anybody who liked the session and their parents wants to talk, please connect. Hi, Noob Scratcher. You want to speak? I guess I'm unmuting you. Please unmute. Other students, please leave then if you're done with your class. If anybody wants to speak, please speak. Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Sir, if you want, if you can bring few admissions by Monday and
By Monday.
1 minute, I'll stop the recording. I guess it stopped.
Do you have the number of these parents?
Yeah, I do have.
Okay.
One minute.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Bipin. Please join at 8:15.
मैम इनकी ग्रुप क्लास कब से स्टार्ट करनी है? फ्रॉम टुमारो और
If you want to take today, you can start from today.
फ्रॉम टुडे 15। एक्चुअली मुझे वो मेन थिंग है ना, वो आज टीचर वाला काम करना है, तो उस पे थोड़ा
Okay.
टाइम लग जाएगा।
But उसमें teacher
हाँ जी।
Let me stop the recording. Online class